Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this VW Polo. This is a 2007 and I'm gonna be changing the mirror indicator, which is this part here, which sits just under the cover here. So to remove this cover here, you can use a tool like this. This is a plastic tool. It's for prying, and basically if you try to get it in between this line, and push the cover up a little bit as you do, you can remove this cover. Okay, now once we remove that cover, as you can see here, that is pretty much what's holding the cover on there. The part number for that indicator, it's that one there, or we have it here, part number. Now, to remove the indicator itself, we need to remove two Torx screws, one that's holding here and the other one is here. Okay, so looking at the mirror from this angle, I may be able to focus on the screw. I've already undone it a little bit. And that's one of the screws there. And then the other Torx, looking at the mirror from the top, we removed the screw here, and the other screw, it's hiding in there. And I'm gonna try to get it so we can see it. Okay, the tool is on the screw now. Which is this screw is just hiding a little bit below this this dust cover here for the mirror. So it's not difficult to see really, it's just sitting there. Okay, that's now undone. The screw is still in there. Maybe that can be seen, I'm not sure. That's the screw sitting down there. Okay, with that screw loosened out, this will just pop down. We need to take this plug off here. Okay, so with the screwdriver we can just press on that bit and remove this. And we have the new one there. That plugs in there. And then we can go ahead and refit the screws. Now, since I left this screw here, it's a bit easier to screw it back on. And the other one that goes in here. It doesn't need to be too tight since it's only screwing onto plastic. So just be careful as you tighten it. Okay, that's nice and firm in there. Now we get the cover. get the cover and we just push it down. And that's it's just gonna click on, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.